If you've ever wanted to download your Chrome history for backup, research, or just to keep a record of the websites you visited, this video is going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You want to make sure you're using the Chrome browser itself because the method we're using today works through a Chrome extension. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dots menu. From there, hover over Extensions, then choose Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you directly to the official Chrome extension marketplace, where you can search for the tool we need. In the search bar, type Export Chrome History. As the results load, look for the extension with that exact name and click on it. Make sure you're selecting the correct extension so you get the export features you're looking for. On the extension page, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will ask you to confirm the installation, so click Add Extension to finish the process. The extension should install almost instantly. Once it's installed, you may not see it right away, so click the puzzle piece icon in the top right corner of Chrome. This opens your Extensions menu. Find Export Chrome History in the list and click it to launch the tool. Now you'll see the export options. One of the most important settings here is the time range. You can choose day, week, month, or all time, depending on how much of your browsing history you want to download. If you only need recent activity, choose a shorter range. If you want the full record, select all time. After that, choose your download format. Most extensions like this give you the option to download as JSON or download as CSV. If you want to open the file in Excel or Google Sheets, CSV is usually the easiest choice. If you need a structured data file for apps or scripts, JSON is a great option. Once your settings are ready, click the Download button, and the extension will generate your Chrome history file. Depending on the size of your history and the range you selected, it may take a few seconds to process. When it's done, your file will download to your computer automatically. After that, you can open it, save it, or import it wherever you need. And that's it. You've now learned how to download Chrome history in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.